Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super useful feature on BookingKoala. If you're managing bookings and want to make sure your providers never forget important details, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through how to set up reminder notifications for your providers. So let's get started. Click on the Settings option in the main menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Under Notifications, select Emails, SMS, or App. This is where you can configure the types of notifications you want to send. Now find and click on Provider in the Notification settings. Look for the option labeled Reminders and click on it. In the Reminders section, you'll see various reminder options. To set up a reminder for providers, you'll need to create or modify a reminder. Set it to trigger an hour before the booking starts. Enter the message you want your providers to receive. Once you've set up and customized your reminder, make sure to save your change. And that's it! You've successfully set up reminder notifications for your providers in BookingKoala. This feature will help ensure that important details are never forgotten.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.